Today we're having an open house, open lot out here in South Mountain, Beverly Highlands, Phoenix, Arizona. Kelly Meadows is our land extraordinaire here. Say hi, Kelly.
Hello, everyone.
So Kelly, what type of event, why did you want to put on this event?
Well, we wanted to give people who have always thought about building their dream home the opportunity to come out, speak with a realtor, lender, and builder with no obligation. Just come out and ask questions.
Oh, it sounds like a great idea. And the sun is actually peeking out here, and it's a beautiful day. I mean, behind you we can see downtown Phoenix. Do you want to tell us any other features about this area?
All of these lots have all the utilities to the property line, including sewer, which will save you a lot of money. And we've got the canal up front with the boardwalk where you can ride your bike, walk your dog. She's already got custom gates and fencing along the front of the property. And these lots are a fairly easy build with a fairly flat but yet elevated lot.
Sounds great.
And Joe can tell us more about how easy these lots would be to build on.
Joe, what company are you with?
Desert Star Homes.
And tell us a little bit about the building process and how someone would get started with that.
Okay, well that's kind of why we're here today, is just to offer advice or answer any questions that anybody has about the process of building a custom home. Typically the process starts with picking out your lot. Picking out a lot that's in a part of town that's going to fit you and your family's needs. Then typically we start with design. We have to take in to consideration your lot and what the limits of design will be with your lot. And then we start working together with a designer and working on a floor plan that's going to fit your budget and all of your family's needs.
So you just don't do $1 million houses. You do you have houses to fit every budget then.
Absolutely, we build houses to fit every budget.
That sounds great. All right, thank you, Joe. We're talking to Anna. Anna, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, hi. I'm Anna. I'm with U.S. Bank, and we're able to offer financing for both lot purchases as well as the construction cost for custom homes.
Now, I think that's a question that everybody wants to know. So you're saying you can finance lots and building your home. You don't have to have the cash. How does that work?
Well, we will finance up to 80% of the value of the lot. And so the down payment would only have to be 20%. When it comes to construction, if you already own your lot, then the equity in the lot counts towards the project. And we will finance, again, up to 80% of the total acquisition cost for the build and the lot purchase. So most of it can be financed.
Thinking about building a custom home in Phoenix, Arizona, we have the perfect team. Locate it, finance it, and then build it.